I'm announcing a stay-at-home order.
Extend the stay-at-home order.
Y nos quedemos en casa.
If the coronavirus is proving to be a challenge to most Americans,
people are not locked in their homes.
It's even more so for those without a home.
Somebody on the street gets it, they can't self-quarantine. They don't have access to the same kinds of resources that the rest of us do.
Joe Metamano heads up the Central Union Mission.
We are completely at capacity.
A homeless shelter that houses 170 men every day in Washington, D.C. One of them is Jonathan Moncada.
Over the last couple of weeks, things have been progressively, shutting down, just like the city.
Jonathan has been homeless for 2 years and found his way to the Central Union Mission 7 months ago. He says inside there's a continuous state of cleaning.
We have been cleaning much more, like every hour.
The mission will now be limiting when people can come in and out. Before someone comes in, they get screened in case they show symptoms of the virus. It's a population especially vulnerable to it.
That's why our priority is to not only continue to serve the homeless, but to keep that virus out of our facilities. Because once it gets into a shelter that is communal with a dormitory-style environment, it can blow up very quickly.
For those who can't get into a shelter, the Centers for Disease Control is issuing guidelines for local communities, such as to not clear homeless encampments because it can cause people to disperse and potentially spread the virus. But do encourage people in encampments to keep all tents or sleeping areas at least 12 feet from one another. And if possible, communities should provide portable latrines for encampments of more than 10 people and include hygiene materials inside, like hand sanitizer. For those at the Central Union Mission, they know it's a long road ahead.
We have, throughout the last couple of weeks, come closer as a community as far as the building is concerned and the homeless community.
A community now facing yet another hurdle. In Washington, I'm Maya Rodriguez reporting.